Okay, in this short video, I'm just going to show you how to, one, email your instructor, and two, how to submit an assignment. So here we are on Canvas in a student account. Um, Not all Canvas accounts are going to look the same. You can paint them and so forth. So this is just a basic overview of what you're having. So here you can see we have different options here on the left-hand side. You see account, dashboard, courses, calendar, inbox. So we're going to click on inbox here to contact your teacher. So this works just like any other email. You see it says inbox. You can select it for your different courses. This is inbox, unread, starred, blah, blah, blah. But to easily contact your instructor, the only button you really need here is the compose button. So you click compose, you select the course. So for instance, you would be probably in physics, and then you just simply start typing your teacher's name. If it's me, Mr. Dupree, so you just type DUP, and then my name pops up. If you have, Jenkins or Leffel or Breslin, you can just type their name in, and then it will auto-populate. So whoever your teacher is, just type their name, then type a little subject, whatever it's about, and then just compose your message. If you have any attachments or anything that you want to send, you just put it right there. We're requiring that all student contact be through Canvas, so it's important that you learn how to use this resource. You can also click on this button here to go through different student types, like teachers, students, groups, all these things. If you don't know how to spell your teacher's name. So you can also get to it through this button right here. And that's pretty much it for the inbox. The email system is pretty simple. So here, what I'm going to show you is in this class how to submit an assignment. So to do that, you have to go to an assignment that needs to be submitted. So in this particular class, we have this lab here for the ballistic pendulum to be submitted. Most assignments that require submission will have, details and stuff at the top and rubric at the bottom. We're not focusing on all of that, but we're just focusing on simply how to submit. So all you do is you come right over here and you click the submit button, and then you pick what you want to submit. So here you can see it says file upload or Google Doc. You definitely want to do it as a Google Doc. And most of you will not have authorized this the first time. So in order to do that, go ahead and click the authorize button. Go ahead and click leave because you want to leave that page. It wants to take you to Google. So now you simply type in your Google information. So I'll type in my Google information. Sorry, it's at GDoc because we're using Google. Then you enter your password, and then it will sign you in. So now it will say, are you allowing Canvas to see your Google? You say yes, allow. And now it should send you back to this. So just give it a second to integrate, and it should load your Google Drive straight in here. So again, you want to click on the Google Doc, and then you will find all of these folders here, whatever you have in your Google Drive. So you click on that, and then you click on whatever you're going to submit. So wherever your file is, just make sure you know where it is. Find it, click on it, and then you would click submit assignment. I'm not going to submit this, but you just click submit. Let's see if I can find a good assignment here. Entitled document, that sounds good. When you finish it, it will give you a little confetti burst because you hopefully submitted on time. And when you're done, you see it's now the button says resubmit assignment, and it says it was submitted at this time and blah, blah. And if you want to double check it, you can always click download to check it again. And that's how you submit an assignment in Canvas. All right, thanks, and y'all have a good day.